Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you the collection of sustainable wood centerpieces design ideas for modern living, from raw logs to refined profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Sustainable living, handcrafted artistry, and the creative transformation of wood logs into meaningful income converge in a powerful narrative that reflects both timeless craft traditions and modern design sensibilities. At the heart of this movement lies the humble wood log, often overlooked as a raw, rustic material, yet rich with potential when approached with intention and imagination. In a world increasingly conscious of environmental impact and authenticity, working directly with wood logs offers an opportunity to align personal values with practical income generation. Each log carries the story of its origin, its growth shaped by climate and time, and when thoughtfully repurposed, it becomes a centerpiece of both aesthetic expression and sustainable entrepreneurship. By embracing logs as foundational elements rather than processing them into uniform boards, artisans preserve the material's natural character, transforming organic forms into refined centerpieces that anchor modern interiors while opening doors to profitable creative ventures. The appeal of log wood centerpieces lies in their ability to bridge nature and design without compromise. Modern interiors often favor clean lines and minimal palettes, creating an ideal backdrop for the warmth and texture of solid wood forms. When logs are sculpted, hollowed, or subtly refined, they become functional art pieces that command attention while maintaining simplicity. These centerpieces introduce a grounding presence, reminding inhabitants of the natural world within contemporary spaces dominated by metal, glass, and concrete. This balance is especially attractive to homeowners and designers seeking interiors that feel calm, authentic, and connected to nature. From coffee tables and side stools to sculptural bases and decorative accents, log-based designs offer versatility without losing their core identity. This versatility directly supports income generation, as artisans can adapt a single material concept into multiple high-value offerings suited for different spaces and budgets. Handcrafted artistry plays a defining role in elevating wood logs from raw material to market-ready decor. Unlike mass-produced furnishings, log-based pieces demand a hands-on approach that respects natural irregularities rather than erasing them. Knots, cracks, and grain variations are not defects, but defining features that give each piece a distinct personality. The artisan's skill lies in knowing how much to intervene and how much to let the material speak. Through careful carving, smoothing, and finishing, the log's inherent beauty is enhanced while its structural integrity is preserved. This intimate process infuses each piece with soul, creating decor that feels personal and intentional. Customers recognize this difference immediately, and their willingness to invest reflects an appreciation for the time, care, and craftsmanship involved. In this way, artistry becomes a direct driver of value and income. The sustainable aspect of working with wood logs further amplifies both appeal and profitability. By sourcing fallen trees, responsibly harvested timber, or reclaimed logs from land clearing and storm damage, artisans minimize environmental impact while accessing affordable raw materials. This approach reduces waste and honors the full life cycle of the tree, transforming what might otherwise be discarded into objects of lasting worth. Sustainability is no longer a niche concern. It has become a core expectation among modern consumers who want their purchases to reflect ethical and environmental awareness. When logwood centerpieces are presented as products of responsible sourcing and mindful creation, they resonate deeply with eco-conscious buyers. This alignment of values strengthens brand identity and fosters trust, allowing artisans to build businesses that grow through integrity rather than exploitation. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, Don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. Creative design solutions are what ultimately position logwood centerpieces as profitable elements within modern interiors. By combining organic forms with contemporary proportions and finishes, artisans create pieces that feel both timeless and current. Subtle design decisions, such as integrating metal accents, clean-edged cuts, or smooth, planar surfaces, help log-based decor harmonize with modern aesthetics without losing its natural essence. These thoughtful contrasts appeal to a wide range of clients, from minimalists seeking warmth to design enthusiasts drawn to bold statement pieces. The ability to customize dimensions, finishes, and functions further enhances market potential as customers increasingly value bespoke decor that fits their space and story. Customization not only increases perceived value, but also allows artisans to command premium pricing, turning creativity into consistent income. The income-generating potential of logwood centerpieces extends beyond individual sales into brand building and long-term growth. Each finished piece becomes a representation of the artisan's philosophy, attracting attention through its uniqueness and authenticity. As recognition grows, opportunities emerge for collaborations with interior designers, hospitality spaces, and retail boutiques seeking distinctive decor. The scalability of log-based designs lies in their adaptability. While each piece remains unique, the underlying concept can be refined and repeated in different forms. This balance between uniqueness and consistency supports sustainable business expansion without compromising artistic integrity. Over time, the artisan develops a recognizable style that becomes synonymous with quality, sustainability, and thoughtful design. At a deeper level, transforming wood logs into meaningful income supports a lifestyle rooted in purpose and creativity. The act of crafting with natural materials fosters a sense of connection to the environment and to the rhythms of manual work. This connection often translates into greater satisfaction and resilience, qualities essential for long-term entrepreneurial success. Customers, in turn, sense this authenticity and are drawn to brands that feel human rather than industrial. The exchange becomes more than a transaction. It becomes a shared appreciation for craftsmanship, sustainability, and design that honors nature. This emotional resonance strengthens customer loyalty and encourages repeat engagement, further stabilizing income streams. In today's design and business landscape, wood log centerpieces represent more than a trend. They embody a shift toward mindful creation and consumption. They demonstrate that sustainable living and financial viability are not opposing goals, but complementary outcomes of thoughtful design and craftsmanship. By transforming raw logs into refined, functional art, artisans show how natural materials can anchor modern interiors while supporting meaningful income generation. Each piece stands as a testament to the enduring beauty of wood, the value of handcrafted artistry, and the power of creativity to shape both spaces and livelihoods. Through this approach, sustainable living becomes not just an ideal, but a practical, profitable, and deeply rewarding way of working with the world's natural resources. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked of sustainable wood centerpieces design ideas for modern living, from raw logs to refined profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.